In just a few minutes, I'm going to reveal why most video marketing strategies fail and share a proven framework with you that will transform your efforts into measurable results. Get instant access to my Video ChangeMaker System Framework, a step-by-step approach that will guide you through creating a powerful, effective video marketing strategy. This framework addresses the biggest pain points, problems, and desires you face in your business. I'm Ron Carmichael, a former financial markets professional who transitioned into video marketing exclusively in 2017. With over 15 years of online experience, I've helped clients succeed in some of the world's most competitive markets. I've seen what works and what doesn't, and I'm here to share those insights with you. Let's be honest, most businesses struggle with video marketing. They spend countless hours creating content that doesn't connect with their audience, doesn't drive engagement, and doesn't lead to the desired results. Does that sound familiar? Right now, you're probably trying different tactics, posting more frequently, experimenting with different video styles, or even spending on ads, hoping something will stick. But here's the thing. Without a clear, cohesive strategy, these efforts are just noise. They lack direction, miss the mark with messaging, and end up scattered across different platforms without driving real results. That's where the Video ChangeMaker system comes in. It's a 9-step framework designed to transform your video marketing efforts from random acts of content creation into a strategic, results-driven approach. This system works because it's grounded in research-driven insights. Crafted messaging tailored to your audience, systematic implementation, and a scalable strategy. It's not just about creating content, it's about creating the right content at the right time for the right people. Want to see the framework in action? Comment ChangeMaker below or DM me the word ChangeMaker and I'll send you the complete Video ChangeMaker System Framework and a video walkthrough to get you started. This resource will give you a clear roadmap to follow, saving you time, eliminating guesswork, and put you on the fast track to achieving your video marketing goals. You'll have everything you need to start driving real results from your video marketing efforts faster than you ever thought possible. Just comment ChangeMaker.